News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I'm Abhishek and with me is Saira Mujtaba.
Today we will be discussing about some vacancies in Central Council for Research in Siddha, Cabinet Secretariat, Raja Ramanna Centre for Advanced Technology, Ministry of Education, National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management, Indian Agricultural Research Institute and Aligarh Muslim University.
The Central Council for Research in Siddha, CCRS, is doing a tremendous job in the field of medicine, especially in corona times. Let's give a brief to our listeners on this organization before we go to the vacancies. Central Council for Research in Siddha is the apex body pertaining to research in Siddha system of medicine. CCRS is working towards the scientific validation of Siddha system of medicine through clinical research, drug research, medicinal plants research, fundamental research, literary research and documentation. CCRS is currently carrying out 33 intramural research IMR projects funded by Ministry of Ayush.
And now the vacancies. Central Council for Research in Siddha invites applications for the following posts in New Delhi on direct recruitment basis. 2 posts of Research Officer, Siddha, 1 post of Siddha Pharmacist and 1 post of Therapist, Siddha. The number of posts may vary according to the need and place of posting. The last date for receipt of the applications will be 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. Further details regarding the educational qualifications, etc. is available at the Council's website www.siddhacouncil.com.
Cabinet Secretariat, Government of India invites application from candidates who are domiciled in Sikkim, West Bengal, Odisha, Jharkhand, Tripura and Andaman and Nicobar Islands for filling up 12 vacancies for the post of Field Assistant GD by Regional Direct Recruitment on language basis in Government of India organization. Candidates belonging to these states who know any of the languages mentioned in the advertisement in the journal Employment News with proficiency to read, write and speak in the concerned language and fulfill the eligibility conditions may apply for the post. The last date of receipt of application is 15th of December 2020.
Applications are invited from eligible candidates for appointment to 1 post of Scientific Assistant C in Raja Ramanna Centre for Advanced Technology in Indore. Candidates may please visit Raja Ramanna Centre for Advanced Technology website, that is www.rrcat.gov.in, where full details regarding age, eligibility and educational qualifications etc. could be seen from 5th of November 2020 onwards, and online applications can be submitted. The last date for receipt of application is 4th December 2020.
Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education invites applications for appointment to 1 post of Vice Chancellor of University of Delhi. The advertisement and the format of application are available on the websites www.mhrd.gov.in and www.du.ac.in. The applications should reach within 30 days from the date of publication of this advertisement by registered or speed post to the concerned person.
The National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management has been set up as an apex world-class institute of global standards in food science and technology under the aegis of the Ministry of Food Processing Industries. The institute has been notified by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India, as deemed to be university under De Novo category. The National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management have openings for the following positions on direct recruitment or deputation basis. Applicants with good academic record and related work experience are encouraged to apply. 1 post of Deputy Librarian, 1 post of Assistant Librarian, 1 post of Assistant Registrar IT, 1 post of Accounts Officer, 1 post of Network Administrator, 1 post of Private Secretary, 2 posts of Personal Assistant, 1 post of Senior Library Information Assistant, 1 post of Assistant Librarian, 1 post of Accountant and 1 post of Senior Library Information Assistant. Interested candidates should submit their online applications in the prescribed format. Age and qualifications will be counted as on last date of submission of application forms. The last date for receipt of duly filled online applications is 11th of December 2020. For details regarding fee, qualifications, experience, general conditions and application forms, etc., Please visit National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management website www.niftem.ac.in. Online applications will be accepted in the said website with effect from 11th November 2020.
Walk-in interview for 6 posts of Young Professional 2 and 1 post of Senior Research Fellow on contractual basis will be held on 15th of December 2020 and 16th of December 2020 respectively at 10:30 a.m. in the Division of Agriculture Extension, ICAR, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, New Delhi. For more details of the advertisement, please visit website www.iari.res.in.
Aligarh Muslim University or AMU invites applications for the following non-teaching posts: 14 posts of Section Officer Administration and 1 post of Assistant Administration in Aligarh Muslim University, 2 posts of Junior Engineer and 6 posts of Pump Operator in Building Department, 1 post of Technical Assistant Store in Central Purchase Office, 1 post of Binder in Controller's Office, 2 posts of Head Wireman and 3 posts of Wireman in Works and Maintenance Department of Electricity, 5 posts of Assistant Accounts, 1 post of Programmer Grade 1 and 1 post of Key Punch Operator Grade 1 in Finance and Accounts Department, 1 post of Lift Operator in Faculty of Arts, 2 posts of Technical Assistant in Department of Biochemistry, 4 posts of Medical Social Worker and 1 post of Fitter cum Mistri in Department of Community Medicine, 1 post of Medical Social Worker in Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology, 1 post of Medical Social Worker in Department of Psychiatry, 1 post of Medical Social Worker in Department of Pediatrics, 1 post of Workshop Technician, 2 posts of Lab Assistant and 1 post of Lab Assistant Store in Department of Orthopedic Surgery, 1 post of Technical Assistant, 1 post of Technical Assistant Mechanic and 3 posts of Lab Assistant in Department of Physiology, 1 post of Lab Assistant and 1 post of Lab Assistant Store in the Department of Pediatrics, 1 post of Technical Assistant in Department of Surgery, 1 post of Lab Assistant in Department of TB and Respiratory Diseases, 1 post of Lab Supervisor in Department of Physics, 1 post of Medical Officer Blood Bank, 1 post of Medical Record Officer, 1 post of Nursing Superintendent, 1 post of Assistant Nursing Superintendent, 2 posts of Assistant Administrative Officer, 1 post of Receptionist, 1 post of Auxiliary Nurse and 1 post of Electrician cum Tube-well Operator in JN Medical College Hospital, 1 post of Section Officer Admin, 3 posts of LDC Admin, 1 post of LDC Store, 1 post of Sanitary Inspector, 1 post of Generator Operator and 2 posts of Workshop Assistant Medical Gas in Modern Trauma Center, JN Medical College Hospital, 12th Plan, 4 posts of Imam and 5 posts of Muezzin in Nazim Sunni Theology, 3 posts of Security Inspector and 16 posts of Security Assistant in Proctor's Office, 1 post of Archival Assistant, Central Record Section and 1 post of Hindi Translator, Hindi Cell in Registrar's Office, 3 posts of Technical Assistant Telephones in Telephone Department, 1 post of Lady Superintendent in Ahmadi School for the Visually Challenged, 1 post of Technical Assistant in STS School, 1 post of Lab Assistant in AMU City School, and 1 post of Junior Assistant LDC UGC in Human Resource Development Center. The details of the vacant positions, qualifications, pay scales, application procedure, and the prescribed application form may be downloaded from the website www.amuregistrar.com or www.amu.ac.in. The application forms duly filled may be submitted latest by 25th of November 2020. Information about these vacancies have been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, made available on every Saturday.
With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You are listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on our mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email your opinion about this program at airnsttalks@gmail.com with employment news as subject.